Okay, now tell me.
Okay, there's two things you should do when you got high fever.
Okay.
Number one, eat healthy. Number two, drink healthy.
Drink healthy?
Yes, and now you'll stop getting your hot fever. And also make sure the drink is very cold,
Okay.
because if it's hot, your fever will go higher.
And wear jackets?
Don't wear jackets.
Don't wear
Make sure you check the temperature. If it's hot, then stay inside for a day. When it's cold, just put out your arm, and not when it's snowing. Just make sure it's cold. Then go outside for a few minutes, like 3 minutes, and then done. And then drink cold stuff, and then eat right. Then
Okay.
you'll be cured.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, doctor. Thanks, Aaron.
I got the shot.
Okay, thank you.
Now it's time for what will happen if you get a car.